kindergarten families. This is Lisa Wynn. I'm the kindergarten specialist here. And as a team, we decided to share some simple math games you can do at home. So I have 2 pieces of paper you can play more than 2 people, but I'm just going to model for you what it would look like to play with 2 people. You're going to take a pencil and each of you will write the numbers 2 through 12 randomly on a piece of paper. So I'm writing 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The other person will do the same here. If your child needs help writing the numbers, you can write it for them. And then you'll need 2 dice and you will take turns rolling the dice and adding the dots. So I got an 8. This is called Blackout. Get a crayon or you can use a pencil. I'm gonna find my 8 and I'm gonna black it out. Now it's this person's turn. They would roll the dice. They got a 3, so they would black out their 3. The first person to black out all their numbers wins. I just rolled a 7. 5 and 2 is 7. One thing that some of the kindergartners have a problem is counting on. So if they know this is 5, they shouldn't have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They should be able to take the big number and say 5, 5, and then this is called counting on. I know this is 5, 6, 7. So you can help them with that skill if they need it. Now, if I roll an 8 again, I've already blacked out my 8, so I don't get to black anything out that turn. I will have to pass the dice to the other person that's playing. And that's how you play Blackout. Very simple, a lot of fun. You can modify it by adding 2 sets of the numbers. So 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 4s, or however you'd like. Another thing I do in my class is I put the numbers on the bottom, and I'm going too fast here. But if you put 2 through 12 on the bottom of a paper, and every time they roll the dice, they had to write that number until they got to the top. So I just rolled a 9. So I would have to find the 9 and write the number all the way to the top. So that's another thing you can do. All right, thank you. Hi, this is Lisa Wynn, kindergarten specialist. I am going to teach you a game called Garbage, or your children might know it as Trash or Basura. It's helping them learn number sense through 10 and number placement. And it's a 2-person game typically, but we can play it with more than 2 players. So in my class, it's fun. We actually use something that looks like a garbage, and we have these great dot cards. But obviously you probably don't have those at home, so you can certainly use a regular deck of cards and just take out the jacks, the queens, and the kings. So you would have ace would be your 1, and you would have cards 1 through 10. And the way you place them is 2 rows of 5 randomly down on the table. Each person does this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other person would do the same. So we both have 2 rows of 5. We're going to put a draw pile in the middle, and you can roll a dice or figure out who's going to go first. So I'm going to draw a card. I got a 6. I have to figure out where the 6 goes. It goes right here. Now I'm going to pick up that card. I have a 7. I can keep playing until I duplicate a number. Oh my goodness, this doesn't usually happen. Okay, so I duplicated a number, so now that goes in the garbage, or another way you can play is just put it face up, and the next person can choose to draw this card or this card. So now it's this person's turn. They got an 8. This ace is a 1, 5, 10, 3, 3, 4, up, and they got a 5, so now their turn has ended. It can go here or in a garbage. Now it's my turn. I got an 8. I already have an 8. So I'm looking for the numbers 1 through 5 and 10. And that's how you play garbage. And it's a lot of fun. And I think most of your kiddos already know how to play this, but it's a great game to help them learn their numbers 1 through 10. Thank you.
Hola superfamilias, yo soy el señor Karlovsky y hoy voy a enseñar a todos ustedes 2 estrategias de matemáticas con los números. La primera estrategia se llama baloncesto o basquetbol. ¿Y qué necesitan? La basura de reciclaje, papel para reciclar o para reusar y un marcador. Entonces una persona va a escribir un número, por ejemplo, y la otra persona está pensando, muy bien, 6. Entonces la persona que dice 6 va a hacer un balón y va a lanzar el balón. A ver. ¡Woo! Muy bien. Ahora le toca a la otra persona. Entonces voy a escribir otro número. 1, 3, no. ¡Woohoo! 13. Entonces ya puedo lanzar el balón. Vamos a ver. ¡Woo! Y así se juega básquetbol, baloncesto. Gracias, superfamilias. Hola, superfamilias. Voy a continuar con la estrategia número 2 para los números. ¿Qué necesitan? Solo necesitan fichas con números. Y vamos a hacer números con movimientos. Hay 3 maneras, hay 3 ideas que tengo yo. Entonces van a poner los números en el suelo. Manera número 1. Una persona va a decir, ¿dónde está el número 15? Y la otra persona dice, ¡pum! 15. Carta para mí. Ahora, tú. ¿Dónde está el número 17? ¡Pum! 17. Carta para ti. Ahora me toca. ¿Dónde está el número 6? ¡Pum! 6. Esa es una manera. Ahora puedes hacerlo con los pies. Vamos. ¿Dónde está el número 27? 27. Para mí. ¿Dónde está el número 23? 23. O, si quieres, puedes hacerlo así. Mira. Es más difícil y tienes que saber tus números. Mira. 23, 8, 17, 6, 9, 28, 27, 2, 26, 15. Y si necesitan tomar su tiempo, está bien. Mira. 23, 8, 17, 6, 9, 28, 27, 2, 26, 15. Y estas son las 3 maneras para jugar con los movimientos y con los números. Gracias, superfamilias. Adiós.
Hi, my name is Lena Moraz. I am another kindergarten teacher, and I am so excited to able to be in your home by a video and give it a couple ideas about math. One of the big things for me is that make it everyday thing. Try to be a normal thing, like if you are going to kiss your child, tell him you are going to kiss 5 times today. This you can kiss 5 times today, the next day how many kisses you want. Another idea is with the laundry. Make him to help you with the laundry to match the socks and ask about sizes too. Where do you think this shirt is from? Or from him, who is that shirt from? And also when you are in that kitchen, put the tablespoons and teaspoons and ask counting how many, guess how many tablespoons, the big spoons we have, and after counting and tell the sizes. Make it everyday thing and things that are normal. We have shapes, try to find something that is round, things that you can find in your home easy and everyday math. Thank you.
Hola familias de Woodcrest, soy Pamela Trujillo, maestra de kindergarten y estoy aquí para enseñaros algunos juegos de matemáticas que podéis hacer con cosas que todos tenemos en casa. Si queremos practicar los números y su escritura, podemos usar bandejas de este color y algo como harina o sal para cubrirlas. Luego escribir los números, por ejemplo, 1 o número 2. Puedes decirle a tu hijo o hija los números que quieren que escribas. Y también podemos usar esta pasta, espagueti y macarrones para practicar el conteo. Puedes colocarlo en algo como plastilina o pan o una masa y contar 1, 2, 3, 4 y colocar todos los que quieras encima de tu plastilina o de tu masa para practicar el conteo. Y además, si queréis hacer un juego en familia, podéis guardar los tapones que tengáis de los zumos y de la leche y con una bandeja hacer estas marcas, estas líneas y jugar a las 3 en raya de esta manera. Quien consiga 3 tapones de colores iguales, gana el juego. Y esto es todo, familias de Woodcrest. Espero que os ayude a pasar un buen rato en casa con vuestros hijos. Adiós.
Hi, I'm Senora Hale, one of the kindergarten teachers here at Woodcrest, and I'm just here to tell you about a few activities you can do with coins with your child at home. So I have some fake coins, but you can use real coins. And what I like to do is just get a bunch of coins, and then the first thing we do is we sort them into different groups. So you can sort all the pennies, and you talk about, while you're sorting, oh, what does this look like? Oh, I see a guy's head on it. Oh, on the back, what does the building look like? And then you look at both sides and talk about it. What's really cool is looking at the date, too, on real coins. And then you group all the pennies together, all of the nickels, and you talk about them. And as you're talking about what they look like, you can talk about how much they're worth, how you notice they're different, the different colors, or even the dimes. Oh, you know what's cool about this one? It's smaller, but it's worth 10 cents instead of 5 cents. And then you look at the nickels, and the quarters, and the dimes. Now that you have them all sorted, you can count them together. So the pennies, you just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 cents, or 11 pennies. Now let's practice counting by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And that's a great way to do that. And then you can count by tens with the dimes. 10, 20, 30, 40. We have 40 cents. And then these are a little trickier, but you can talk about how these are 25 cents. You go 25, 50, 75. Another activity I like to do is you can create these little cards that have objects on them and then how much they're worth. And then put out the card and think, oh, how can I pay for that? Like at a store. Oh, so a nickel would be 5 cents. Or you can do 5 pennies to pay for the top. And that's a game we can play. Oh, I have a ball here. How much is the ball? 10 cents. So how can I make 10 cents? Well, I could do a dime, or I can do nickels, 2 nickels, or I can do 10 pennies. And so all you need is some markers and some cards, and you can make whatever little objects you want to at whatever price your child wants to put them at. So thank you. I hope you have fun playing the games.
Buenos días, mi nombre es María José Sarce, señorita Sarce, y les voy a enseñar el juego del nerviosito para los números. Good morning, my name is María José Sarce, señorita Sarce, and I'm going to show you the game that I play with my students, nerviosito. Okay, ¿Cuántos somos? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Necesito entonces 7 montositos. ¿Somos 7 o no? Ya. Atención, atención. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7.
Para ti,
Gracias.
para ti. De nada,
Gracias.
de nada. Ya. Atención, a la 1, aquí, a las 2. Si quieres ponte más cerca para que puedas. 1. Bueno. Va, ok. 1, 2, 0.
1.
Giovanni. Parte tú, Giovanni. Tu turno. Hacia allá, hacia mí.
0. 1. 2. 3.
4.
5. 6. 7.
¿Qué quiere? Isaac. 7.
No.
Dale tú. Dale, dale, dale. Rápido, 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 rápido.
0. 1. 2. 3.
0.
0. 1.
Sí, mira. 1, 2,
3. 4. 5.
6. Y ahora los niños van a jugar en parejas al juego de los números hambrientos. So now the kids are gonna play Hungry Numbers. Adelante. Otro más. ¿Cuál te vas a comer? Nom, 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 ¿De quién es el turno ahora?
0.
Turno de.
Marcos.
Muy bien.
6. 4. 6. 6. 2. 6. Más. 30.
Muy bien. Tu turno.
5.
Nom, 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 nom.
1 más 2.
¿Seguro?
9.
¿Cuál te vas a comer?
24.
Muy bien. Nom, 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 nom.
Más 0.
Gracias. Gracias.